Hello, fifth graders. This is a screencast with a visual representation of the instructions that your teacher gave you during the morning message today. You've already seen a page like this. You've clicked on materials and you clicked on today's date. In this screencast, I'm going to show you the activity board and explain the 3 types of activities that you'll see. So your job today is to click on this link Monday 3-3 for the day's activities. You'll notice that there are 3 pages. The first 2 pages won't change. This first page explains in general about the kinds of activities we're going to do. There is an icon for engage. This is engage with reading. Find time to explore a book or share a story. This next icon or picture is explore. Explore the world we live in and try one of these hands-on activities. And this icon is to represent explain. Explain what you were able to observe and experience on this e-learning day. This will always be here for your reference. There's a second page which will always be here on IXL, but you already know about that. So I'm going to show you this third page. Each day this week you're going to have a new activity board. Today you're doing activity board 1. Your job is to pick 3 activities from this board. 1 from each area. 1 from engage, 1 from explore, and 1 from explain. They're set up so that each row is one icon. So the top 3 are engage activities. You're going to choose one of these. The middle 3 are explore activities. You're going to choose one of these. And the bottom row is explain activities. You're going to choose one of these. You have all day to get these 3 activities done. You need to tell your teacher that you've done them before 5 p.m. today, because your teacher is going to take attendance at that time. They're going to look and see who's completed their work. So who's clicked true? I've finished all my stuff in order to make sure to say that you were done this day. So when you get to the end and you've done all of your activities before 5 p.m., you're going to click on Start New Attempt right here. You're going to click on that, and it's going to take you through where you just say, true, I have completed all 3 activities. And that is how you will tell your teacher that you are done.